Question 1. Hooke's law holds good up to. The correct answer is limit of proportionality. Question 2. The ratio of linear stress to linear strain is called. The correct answer is modulus of elasticity, Young's modulus. Question 3. Poisson's ratio is the ratio of. The correct answer is lateral strain to longitudinal strain. Question 4. The theoretical range of Poisson's ratio for any material is. The correct answer is -1 to 0.5. Question 5. The relation between Young's modulus E, shear modulus G, and Poisson's ratio mu is. The correct answer is E equals 2G, 1 plus mu. Question 6. The relation between E, bulk modulus K, and mu is. The correct answer is E equals 3K, 1 to 2 mu. Question 7. Elongation of a prismatic bar of length L, area A, and modulus E under axial pull P is. The correct answer is PL divided by A. Question 8. Elongation of a bar due to its own weight W is. The correct answer is WL divided by 2AE. Question 9. Thermal stress induced in a bar of length L, fixed at both ends, due to temperature rise T is. The correct answer is alpha TE. Question 10. If a bar is free to expand when heated, the thermal stress is. The correct answer is 0. Question 11. In a composite bar of copper and steel heated, the copper will be in. The correct answer is compression. Question 12. Modulus of rigidity is the ratio of. The correct answer is shear stress to shear strain. Question 13. Volumetric strain of a rectangular bar subjected to axial load is. The correct answer is longitudinal strain, 1 to 2 mu. Question 14. Shear force at a section is the algebraic sum of. The correct answer is all vertical forces on either side of the section. Question 15. Bending moment at a section is the algebraic sum of. The correct answer is moments of all forces on either side of the section. Question 16. The rate of change of bending moment is equal to. The correct answer is shear force. Question 17. The rate of change of shear force is equal to. The correct answer is load intensity, rate of loading. Question 18. For a simply supported beam with a central point load W, the BMD is. The correct answer is a triangle with max ordinate WL divided by 4. Question 19. For a simply supported beam with UDLW over entire span L, the max bending moment is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 2 divided by 8. Question 20. The shear force diagram for a cantilever carrying a UDL is. The correct answer is a triangle. Question 21. Point of contraflexure is the point where. The correct answer is bending moment changes sign. Question 22. In a cantilever beam, the maximum bending moment occurs at. The correct answer is the fixed end. Question 23. For a fixed beam with central point load, the fixing moments are. The correct answer is WL divided by 8. Question 24. Moment of inertia I represents. The correct answer is resistance to rotation divided by bending, second moment of area. Question 25. The unit of moment of inertia is. The correct answer is m to the power of 4 or m to the power of 4. Question 26. moment of inertia of a rectangular section BXD about centroidal axis parallel to width B is. The correct answer is BD to the power of 3 divided by 12. Question 27. Moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter D is. The correct answer is pi d to the power of 4 divided by 64. Question 28. Moment of inertia of a triangle base B, height h about its base is. The correct answer is bh to the power of 3 divided by 12. Question 29. Moment of inertia of a triangle about its centroidal axis parallel to base is. The correct answer is bh to the power of 3 divided by 36. Question 30. Parallel axis theorem states I_AB equals. The correct answer is I_G plus A to the power of 2. Question 31. Perpendicular axis theorem is equals x plus iy is valid for. The correct answer is plane lamina only. Question 32. Radius of gyration k is given by. The correct answer is square root of I divided by a. Question 33. The simple bending equation is. The correct answer is m divided by I equals sigma divided by y equals e divided by r. Question 34. In simple bending, the stress is. The correct answer is directly proportional to distance from neutral axis. Question 35. The neutral axis of a beam cross-section passes through. The correct answer is the centroid. Question 36. At the neutral axis, the bending stress is. The correct answer is 0. Question 37. Section modulus Z is defined as. The correct answer is I divided by y_max. Question 38. Moment of resistance more of a beam is. The correct answer is sigma_permissible *z. Question 39. Section modulus for a rectangular section is. The correct answer is bd to the power of 2 divided by 6. Question 40. Section modulus for a solid circular section is. The correct answer is pi d to the power of 3 divided by 32. Question 41. For a given area, which section is most efficient for bending? The correct answer is I section. Question 42. Shear stress distribution across a rectangular section is. The correct answer is parabolic. Question 43. Maximum shear stress in a rectangular beam is. The correct answer is 1.5 times average shear stress. Question 44. Maximum shear stress in a circular beam is. The correct answer is 1.334 divided by 3 times average shear stress. Question 45. In an I section, maximum shear stress occurs at. The correct answer is the neutral axis middle of web. Question 46. In an I section, the shear force is mainly resisted by. The correct answer is the web. Question 47. In an I section, the bending moment is mainly resisted by. The correct answer is the flanges. Question 48. The shear stress at the extreme fibers of a beam is. The correct answer is 0. Question 49. A truss is a structure composed of members connected by. The correct answer is pin joints, hinges. Question 50. In a perfect truss, the relationship between members M and joints J is. The correct answer is M equals 2J3. Question 51. If M greater than 2J3, the truss is. The correct answer is redundant indeterminate. Question 52. If m less than 2J3, the truss is. The correct answer is deficient unstable. Question 53. Members of a truss are assumed to carry only. The correct answer is axial forces, tension or compression. Question 54. The method of joints uses equilibrium equations. The correct answer is sum of fx equals 0 and sum of fy equals 0. Question 55. The method of sections uses equilibrium equations. The correct answer is sum of fx equals 0, sum of fy equals 0, and sum of m equals 0. Question 56. In a truss, a member carrying zero force is called. The correct answer is zero force member. Question 57. If three members meet at a joint and two are collinear, the force in the third member is. The correct answer is 0 if no external load at joint. Question 58. Strain energy U stored in a body due to axial load P is. The correct answer is P to the power of 2L divided by 2AE. Question 59. Resilience is defined as. The correct answer is energy stored within elastic limit. Question 60. Proof resilience is. The correct answer is maximum strain energy stored at elastic limit. Question 61. Modulus of resilience is. The correct answer is proof resilience per unit volume, sigma to the power of 2 divided by 2e. Question 62. Toughness is the ability to absorb energy up to. The correct answer is fracture breaking point. Question 63. Stress due to impact load, sudden load, is. The correct answer is 2 times the stress due to gradual load. Question 64. Strain energy due to bending moment m is. The correct answer is integral m to the power of 2 dx divided by 2ei. Question 65. Strain energy due to torsion T is. The correct answer is T to the power of 2L divided by 2 gigajoules. Question 66. Castigliano's first theorem states partial derivative of strain energy W, R, T load gives. The correct answer is deflection under that load. Question 67. Torsion equation for circular shafts is. The correct answer is T divided by J equals tau divided by R equals G theta divided by L. Question 68. Polar moment of inertia J for solid shaft is. The correct answer is pi d to the power of 4 divided by 32. Question 69. Torsional rigidity is given by. The correct answer is Gj. Question 70. Power transmitted by a shaft P is. The correct answer is 2 pi nt divided by 60. Question 71. Strength of a hollow shaft is blank, a solid shaft of same weight. The correct answer is greater than. Question 72. A column fails primarily by. The correct answer is buckling. Question 73. Euler's critical load for a column with both ends hinged is. The correct answer is pi to the power of 2a divided by L to the power of 2. Question 74. Effective length of a column fixed at one end and free at other is. The correct answer is 2L. Question 75. Effective length of a column fixed at both ends is. The correct answer is L divided by 2, 0.5 L. Question 76. Effective length of a column fixed at one end and hinged at other is. The correct answer is L divided by square root of 2, 0.707 L. Question 77. Slenderness ratio is. The correct answer is effective length divided by least radius of gyration. Question 78. Euler's formula is applicable for. The correct answer is long columns. Question 79. Rankin's formula is applicable for. The correct answer is both short and long columns. Question 80. Core of a section kernel is the area within which load must be applied to. The correct answer is prevent tension in the section. Question 81. The shape of the core of a rectangular section is. The correct answer is rhombus. Question 82. The shape of the core of a circular section is. The correct answer is circle, diameter d divided by 4. Question 83. Slope at the free end of a cantilever with point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 2 divided by 2EI. Question 84. Deflection at the free end of a cantilever with point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 3 divided by 3EI. Question 85. Maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with central load W is. The correct answer is WL to the power of 3 divided by 48 EI. Question 86. Maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with UDLW is. The correct answer is 5 WL to the power of 4 divided by 384 EI. Question 87. Macaulay's method is used for finding. The correct answer is slope and deflection. Question 88. Moore's first theorem, moment area method, gives. The correct answer is change in slope between 2 points. Question 89. Moore's second theorem gives. The correct answer is intercept deflection relative to tangent. Question 90. Hoop stress in a thin cylinder is. The correct answer is PD divided by 2T. Question 91. Longitudinal stress in a thin cylinder is. The correct answer is PD divided by 4T. Question 92. Maximum shear stress in a thin cylinder is. The correct answer is PD divided by 8T. Question 93. In a thick cylinder, the radial stress at the inner surface is. The correct answer is compressive, equal to internal pressure. Question 94. Lane's equations are used for. The correct answer is thick cylinders. Question 95. Spring stiffness K is. The correct answer is load required to produce unit deflection. Question 96. In a close-coiled helical spring subjected to axial load, the wire undergoes. The correct answer is torsion. Question 97. In an open-coiled helical spring subjected to axial load, the wire undergoes. The correct answer is both torsion and bending. Question 98. Leaf springs, carriage springs are beams of. The correct answer is uniform strength. Question 99. Principal planes are planes where. The correct answer is shear stress is 0. Question 100. Maximum shear stress theory is also known as. The correct answer is Tresca's theory.